How to edit photos on NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your laptop and head to your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type NanoBanana.AI and navigate to its official website. Once the site opens, make sure you are logged in with your account. Scroll down to AI Editor section. Here you will find two main options: image to image and text to image. For editing an existing photos, select image to image and upload the image you want to edit by tapping add image. Now in the main prompt field, type your instruction for the edit you want. For example, crop the image to 16:9 ratio, adjust brightness and constant, apply a vintage filter, remove background and replace with a rich scene. Once your instructions are ready, tap Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process your request and show the edit into output gallery. You can refine your edit by giving more specific prompt until you get the desired result. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.